keep moving. Dash is the plural of church. Choose an answer. Churches. Churches. Chicken. Churi.
The correct answer is churches. Churches is the plural of church. Question 2. Dash lots of children. Options are there is, there are.
Right choices. There are. There are lots of children.
Question 3. Dash bicycles. Choose an answer. There is, there are. The right answer is there are. There are bicycles. Question 4. Dash a small mosque. Pick a right answer. There is, there are. Right choice is there is a small mosque. Question 5. Dash a supermarket. Here are the options. There's, there are. Correct option is there's a supermarket. Question 6. I am dash. Choose an answer. A taxi. Lots of cars. At the station. There's. Right choice is at the station. I am at the station.
Question 7. 50 is the number. Choose an answer. 50. 50. 50. 50.
Correct option is 50. 50 is the number. 50.
Question 8. AM is dash. Guess the correct answer. Morning. Afternoon or evening.
Right choice is morning. AM is morning. Question 9. PM is dash. Pick a right answer. Morning. Afternoon or evening.
Right choice is afternoon or evening. PM is afternoon or evening. Let's move on. Evening is dash. Guess the correct answer. From 6 o'clock a.m. to 12 p.m. Between 12 o'clock p.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. After 6 o'clock p.m. The right answer is after 6 o'clock p.m. Evening is after 6 o'clock p.m.
Question 11. I usually go to bed at. Choose an answer. 11 o'clock a.m. 11 o'clock p.m. Correct option is 11 o'clock p.m. I usually go to bed at 11 o'clock p.m. Let's move on. Today is Wednesday. The next 2 days are dash. Pick a right answer. Monday, Tuesday. Thursday, Friday. Saturday, Sunday. Tuesday, Friday. The correct answer is Thursday, Friday. Today is Wednesday. The next 2 days are Thursday, Friday.
Question 13. Dash the morning. Choose an answer. In. On. At. Correct option is in the morning. Question 14. Dash Wednesday afternoon. Here are the options. In. On. At. The right answer is on Wednesday afternoon. Question 15. Dash 8 o'clock. Here are the options. In. On. At.
Correct option is at 8 o'clock. Question 16. Let's meet dash. Pick a right answer. Tomorrow. 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 Correct option is tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow.
Question 17. I am dash. Here are the options. At home. At the home. In home. At homes. The right answer is at home. I am at home.
Question 18. Let's meet, dash. Here are the options. At shops. At the shops. In shops. At shop.
The right answer is at the shops. Let's meet at the shops. Question 19. Are you available Tuesday afternoon? Here are the options. Yes, I am. Yes, I is. Yes, I are. Yes, I'm not.
The right answer is yes, I am. Are you available Tuesday afternoon? Yes, I am. Question 20. Dash are the missing vowels in underscore ft underscore rn underscore underscore n. Guess the correct answer. AEOO. EEUU. AAUU. AAOO. Right choice is AEOO. AEOO are the missing vowels in underscore ft underscore rn underscore underscore n.